I need to warn you about something before you touch your Google business profile. One wrong move and Google can suspend your listing. You'll disappear from Google Maps ranking. No calls, no leads, nothing for weeks. I've seen it happen to fence contractors who were just trying to improve their ranking. They did one thing wrong and it cost them thousands and lost jobs. Here's how to make sure that doesn't happen to you. The number one mistake is changing your business name. I get it. You want to add keywords to your business name. For example, Johnson Fencing becomes Johnson Fencing Installation and Repair Dallas. Don't do it. Google sees this as keyword stuffing. It violates their guidelines. Best case, they reject the change. Worst case, they suspend your listing and you have to prove you're a real business to get it back. And this can cost you weeks. Your business name should be your actual business name, nothing more. Mistake number two, changing your address. You move locations, change your service area. Be very careful. Google will often send a re-verification letter to your new address, and that takes 1 to 2 weeks to get that new business re-verified. That can take up to 1 to 2 weeks. During that time, your listing might be limited or hidden. If you're changing your business, do it when business is slow, not in peak season. For example, your fencing company. And mistake number is making all these changes at once. This is the big one. You watch a video like this or my last video, you get motivated and go and add 5 categories, 30 services, you update your description, upload 20 photos all in one afternoon. Google's algorithm sees this as suspicious activity. It can flag your account for review. I've seen companies locked out for weeks. Number one thing you have to realize is Google hates drastic changes. Well, here's the rule. Stage your changes over 3 to 4 weeks at minimum. And add your categories and services slowly, your descriptions and photos, and let Google digest each change before making the next one. So what can you change, safely change? Your categories, add them slowly, 1 to 2 at a time. Your services, add 5 to 10, wait a few days, add more. Photos, upload a few each week, properly named and geotagged. Your posts once or twice a week, share listing active. The goal is to look like a real business that's gradually improving, not a spammer trying to game the system. I know this sounds complicated, and honestly, this is where most fence contractors say forget it and leave the GBP hair finished. That's why their competitors are beating them. If you want this done right without the risk, check out leadgen24.com. That's my listing. I'll optimize your GBP properly, stage over time, so you can climb into the top 3 without triggering any red flag. I've been in this business since 2013. I did a digital marketing degree then, and I've managed and ran my own business, a digital marketing agency over in Europe, and that into a very successful business. And for fence contractors watching this, your niche is wide open, and if I was in construction, I did spend 12 years in construction in my earlier career, so I know what you guys go through. I know how tough the work is. But if I'm a young construction guy that has some experience, the fencing contract business is wide open. Most of your competitors barely touch their GBP, and a little optimization goes a long way. So, link is in the description. These tools I'm using here are in the description. I have an affiliate link, and it will help the channel also. So, if you're a fencing contractor out there, let's get your business seen.